gown also is there. Okay. So reusable gown. Disposable means like mask. Okay. So this is the gown we call OT gown. OT gown. Okay. Seat of the wheelchair. This is the seat of the wheelchair. First part is seat here. Okay. So this one we called armrest. What we call armrest. Okay. So then we need to adjust the height of the bed or height of the stretcher. Okay. Both we need to keep. Okay. Here this is old model, no? We'll place under the patient. If that code will shift. Shift 1, 2, 3 annappudu shift annappudu. Okay. Stop it. So like this we need to shift the patient from ambulance stretcher to our stretcher. Okay, stretcher to bed. Same only. Okay. Shift the patient by counting 1, 2, 3. Okay, I will count 1, 2, 3. Shift. Patient from stretcher to bed, bed to stretcher. Now we will see if the patient is able to sit. Okay, that time we need to transport the patient in the wheelchair. Okay, patient able to sit. What we need to do? So we will transport the patient from stretcher to wheelchair or stretcher bed to wheelchair. How we need to transport means first we need to make the patient to sit and tell the patient to come the edge of the bed. Okay. Then we need to support the patient for standing. And we make the stand and we change the position of the patient and make the patient to sit at the edge of the chair. Then we will tell the patient to go back. Okay. Then make the patient to keep legs in the. Okay. If bed is there, we will put the bed. Then we will transport the patient through the wheelchair. Okay. How we need to transport? See. Like this we need to push. Okay. When pushing the patient, avoid jerkings of the patient. Jerkings means what? Shaking, jerkings like this. Like this. Okay. So patient opposite. Okay. Place is not there. So you think here slope is there? Okay. Like this we need to take. Otherwise what we have? So to prevent unnecessary movements, here hand brakes are there. We put hand brakes. Then transporting the patient, we put the hand brake. Then the wheelchair will not move. Okay, all of you understand? Yes, ma'am. This is the transportation of patient from wheelchair to bed. Now we see. Here to here we saw no. Now from wheelchair to bed. Sit down, sit down. We place this wheelchair near the side of the bed. Okay. Okay, that's okay. If the patient is not able to stand, okay, that time. So one will make the patient to stand like this. Bed. Next, again normal position. Okay. Unit 15 infection control.
అంతండి ಯಾಕೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಯಾರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀನಿ.